All right, this is a quick video. I've noticed a couple of YouTubers showing off their Master Specialties switches. This is not a switch. This is an indicator light, and it's the same form factor as the switches, but this is just an indicator light. And there's a part number on it, but it is made by Master Specialties, Costa Mesa, California, down near San Diego. Series 80 tell light, so I guess it's telling something. So let's do the big reveal here. This is a cool one. Normal and abnormal, or abnormal, if you've watched the movie. Anyway, let me hold this thing in the vise here so I can light it up for you. It is a hoot. All right, all systems are normal. And let's go to my normal state of affairs. Abnormal. Maybe this should be my intro to my channel. Going from normal to abnormal.